The difference between Netspend and Green Dot usually isn't how you load money or make purchases. It's how the fees add up after you've been using the card for weeks or months. By the end of this video, you'll know which prepaid card is more likely to cost less based on how you actually use it. Here's the short answer first. Neither card is automatically cheaper. Netspend and Green Dot both offer different fee structures, so the better choice depends on how often you reload cash, withdraw money from ATMs, receive direct deposits, and keep a balance on the card. Start by looking at monthly costs. Some versions of both cards include monthly maintenance fees, while others allow those fees to be reduced or avoided if you meet certain requirements. Before applying, read the fee schedule for the exact version you're considering instead of assuming every card works the same way. Next, think about reloads. If you regularly add cash at retail locations, check where each card can be reloaded and what those locations charge. A card with a lower monthly fee can still become more expensive if every reload adds another charge. ATM withdrawals are another area where costs can grow. If you use cash often, review the ATM network and any withdrawal fees before choosing a card. Using in-network options when available can help reduce extra costs regardless of which card you pick. Now consider direct deposit. If your paycheck or government benefits go directly onto your prepaid card, compare the features each provider offers for direct deposit users. Some people rarely visit an ATM because they pay with the card directly, while others withdraw cash every week. Your own habits matter more than the card's advertising. Here's an easy way to decide. Think about the last month. Did you reload cash several times, use ATMs frequently, or mostly pay with the card at stores? Match those habits against each card's fee schedule. That's a much better approach than comparing marketing pages. Also remember that prepaid cards aren't all identical. Netspend offers multiple card programs, and Green Dot has several products as well. Always compare the specific card you're applying for because the fees and features can differ. The winner comes down to your spending routine, not the logo on the card. The prepaid card with fewer fees is the one that charges less for the services you actually use every month. Before making your choice, read the current fee disclosures for both cards and calculate what you'd likely pay over a typical month. If this comparison saved you time, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other straightforward financial comparisons.